xenophobia in South Africa for Ethiopian citizens. Please, we have a good history. Ethiopia gives military training for Nelson Mandela in 1962. Ethiopia had a good historical relationship with South Africa. The current trajectory of the relationships is a highly positive, focused on using their status as African giants to lead the continental's industrializations and economic independence. You can think of this relationship as a partnership between the diplomatic heart of Africa, Ethiopia, and its industrial powerhouses, South Africa, currently moving closer together through the BRICS and share goals for continental reform.